Hello friends, welcome to our channel Moral Stories. Today we bring you an interesting story about the animals of the jungle. This story teaches us that working together makes every problem easier to solve. So get ready and let's take a trip to the jungle, where the story unfolds in a dense forest with towering trees. The forest was filled with the rustling of leaves and the sweet water of small streams. Various animals lived happily there. Among them were some unique creatures: the bear, a large and strong animal who preferred solitude; the cheetah, a small but brave animal known for its speed; and the peacock, a beautiful creature that flaunted its colorful feathers. There was also a little fox who always found solutions to every problem. One day a big problem arose in the jungle. The stream, which provided drinking water to all the animals, suddenly began to dry up. The water level was decreasing and the animals became worried. The bear said in his deep voice, "I'll go alone to the river's source to see what the problem is." But the cheetah stopped him and said, "Brother bear, going alone could be dangerous. We should work together." The peacock spread his colorful feathers and said, "But what should we do? I'm just beautiful, not powerful." The little one smiled and said, "Everyone has their own strength. If we all work together, we can save the river." All the animals made a plan together. The little one found the way to the source because his nose was very sharp. The cheetah ran swiftly to the source. When he arrived, he saw that a big rock was blocking the river's path. The bear used his strength to move the rock, and the peacock fanned his beautiful feathers to create a breeze, making the water flow faster. Soon the river started flowing again, and all the animals in the forest began to dance with joy. They learned that everyone has their own unique strength, but when they work together, no challenge is too great. Friends, this story teaches us that there is great power in unity when we work together. When we work together, every challenge becomes easier. Work with your friends because everyone's strength reinforces each other. If you liked this story, subscribe to our channel Moral Stories, like it, and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments when you worked with someone to solve a problem.